Charlie. He's a true Boxhound.
Mr. Box.
Oh, yes. Let's go. Oi.
It is Galaxy Force, it's Japanese, it's Unicron Trilogy, it's right up my tickly street, and this is something that I've actually been after again for a while. I sold my old one to Carl, and Carl is lovely. Galaxy Force, Roadstorm, which is a mould I think they used in one other line, and then we're just like, nah, it's pretty crap, we're not going to use it again. But I'm triple on toast to have this guy again. And it arrived, and it's sealed. Those elastic bands, they've gone yellow. That's how old this toy is. That's how long it's been stuck in this packet for. What are we talking, like 2005? Oh, these elastic bands are terrible. It's like cutting through a slug. Oh, there we have Roadstorm. That is I don't know different types of motorcycles. It's a great motorcycle. Chopper. No, it's a motorcycle because choppers have got longer things at the front, haven't they?
What? No just rags.
Is that food too?
It's definitely above average temperature and several warm. His gun looks like a trombone, doesn't it? I do believe his gun goes on to this side as the other exhaust, if I remember correctly. A trombone gun. It does go on to this side. There we go. There we go. And I can't remember what the force chip gimmick was in this mode. Oh, there it is. It's a small mortar. Everything you need on a motorcycle. I'm pretty sure if that mortar went off, you might overbalance or fall off. Nothing good would happen. If you were riding Roadstorm, it would clearly take your arm off. Happy Dinsley Bikey. Let's get on to that ridiculous robot mode that everybody loves. I can't actually remember how to transform him or what to transform, but I'm pretty sure this front wheel comes up. There we go. That's what we wanted all along. Then everything should start falling into place, but it doesn't because this guy's ridiculous. Out come his shoulders. Where's his feet? Oh, there's his feet, but they could. Oh, there we go. I remember this being a pain in the neck to transform. But I'm not going to lie to you, I am enjoying every single second of this. One of those terrible kind of transformations that tries to do too much. Speedometer. Out he comes. There he is. I love his head. Look at his little shades.
Our Brad's doing the same.
Help me. Help me get into robot mode because I can't do it myself. Crumbsman. Like, let's just look at the box. This still counts as Hard Panther, yeah? Boy, that was an adventure. I found that you had to connect his seat to these two little nubs on his gas tank. And there we have robot mode. I can't move his arms very much. I don't think you're meant to because this wasn't a good design. Here's his trombone gun. Let's see if he can hold his trombone gun. He can rotate his arm at a specific angle. Now he's ready to play the theme tune to Johnny Briggs on his trombone. There's the back of him. He's actually, I don't know, would you count that as tidy? Because there's his mortar gimmick is the whole back thing and his force chip go. Actually, it's not bad placement for a force chip holder, is it?
Never watched it.
Roadstorm, Galaxy Force. He's this. Gah! I just want to play my trombone, the Johnny Briggs theme tune. Galaxy Force Roadstorm. Better than I remember. I remember him being shit.
Hey, Bede. That Blixwing jet is the weirdest transformer jet I've ever seen in my life. There ain't no way that bitch is flying.